Right, that's the rocker box on. All the bolts done up. Of course, you have to do them in a certain sequence. It's something like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's something like that. You have to do it so it spreads the load over the whole cover. And XLs are notorious for leaking along this joint here, and obviously out of the O-ring in there, which is why I put a new O-ring in there. But quite often you see XLs and they weep here, and you end up with this oil drip that drips off here onto your exhaust. So you get that smell of burning oil whenever you've been for a run. So I use this K2 silicone sealant. Seems to work quite well. It worked well on the RS. That's nice and dry now, but yeah, they are known for it. So the next job is to set the valve clearances. So it's at top dead centre at the moment. So I'll set the valve clearances, then fit the valve covers, and then get that in the frame. Get it back in the frame, and start it up. The trouble is you don't know how good a job you've done until it's running. So you can only follow the procedure in the manual, and fingers crossed that works quite well. So I remember one time I put one of these together, and I forgot to put the plug in there. And it wasn't until I did exactly what I've just done here. I'm busy doing the job, engine, blah blah blah, rocker box, bolt it all down. Yeah, because these are 8 to 10 foot-pounds for each one of these. They're quite. And I did it all, thinking, pleased with myself. Turned it like that, and realised I'd left the plug out, so it all had to come back off again. But I've got some silicone sealant there. But no, it's looking good now that it's the right colour instead of all black. So yeah, fingers crossed that'll be all right. So I'll set the valve clearances, hopefully get it in the frame over the weekend, and then fire it out. But knowing me, I'll probably find some other little jobs to do while I'm doing that, while I'm getting the engine back in the frame. But that's the plan anyway.